What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to download a YouTube video and save that video to your PC, your laptop, your files, so that you can access the video without having to go to YouTube. So if you want to know how to download any one of these YouTube videos that you see here, stick around. I'm going to show you just how to do that. Okay, so firstly, find the video that you want to download. So let's just say I want to download this video right here. I'm going to click on the video, wait for the video to open, and pause it. Okay, now once I'm here, I'm going to go over and open a new tab, and I'm going to type in YouTube to MP3. Okay, so type in the following: YouTube to MP3. Once you type that in and all of this comes up, I want you to click on the first link that appears. It's called YouTube to MP3 converter. So click on that first link and you're going to be taken here. Once you are here, the next step for you is to go back to the YouTube video that you want to download, and I want you to copy the link. So copy this link here, because this is the bit that you need. Copy the link, come back over to the other tab, which is your YouTube to MP3 converter, YT-MP3, and I want you to paste the link right in there. Once you've got this pasted in here, the last thing for you to do is click on MP4. Make sure you click it properly, because MP4 is it means video. So once you've done that, you paste the link in, you've clicked on MP4, click convert. And as you'll see, it is now checking the video. It's found the video, Infinity Edge Pool. As you can see, that's Infinity Edge Pool. And after a while, this box will appear. Okay, so once this box appears, you can now just simply click on download. Now when you click on download, it'll take you to this page here. Just simply close this tab, go back to the main tab, okay? And if you look in the bottom left of your screen, I'm using a PC. On the bottom left of your screen, you will see the video right here, Infinity Edge Pool. I'm going to say show in folder, and there is the video right here. So I can take this video and I can put it into any folder that I want, and if I double click on the video, there it is right over here. So it's literally that simple, guys. It's that simple. It's that simple. There's the video right here. So I can literally take that, I can move it around, I can put it into videos, and there we go. Video is right there. Taking it from YouTube, and I've put it right here on my laptop in my files, saved. So it's that easy, guys. It's that simple. Just to repeat, you're going to want to find the video that you want, copy the link, come over to YouTube MP3 converter, and you're going to want to paste the link in, click on MP4, click on convert, wait for it to do its thing, checking video, loading video. You'll know that it's found the video when it comes up on the left hand side here, the title of the video, Infinity Edge Pool. And you just wait for the video to load, wait for it to download. And once that appears, then you just click the download button and you are ready to rock and roll. There we go. Click on download, and there it is right here in the bottom left hand corner. It's just downloaded. So it's that simple, guys. If you want to download a YouTube video, that's all you got to do. Hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. Thanks, cheers, have a great day.